Okay, we're writing an expression for the volume of each rectangular prism. What's the area for volume of a rectangular prism? Length times width times height. Yes, it's a cube. So we're taking the length, which is x, the width is x, and the height is x. They're all the same because it's a cube. So the length is what? What variable? X. The width is what? It's a cube. They're all the same. X, and the height is what?
X.
Well, we know that x times x is x to the power of 2. So what do you think x times x times x is? X to the power of 3. X cubed. That's it. That's the answer. Because that's the formula for volume of a rectangular prism or a cube. I have x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1. I have x to the power of 3 as my final answer. There's 3 x's. Volume of a rectangular prism, length times width times height. Which one's the length? What's the longest side? Natalie? Good. 3x. What's the width? X. And what's the height? Okay, how would we multiply this together? We are multiplying 3 times 1. What's 3 times 1? And then multiply by 2. What's 3 times 2? 6. X times x times x is x to the power of 3. That's the volume. That's it. Same thing. Volume of a cube. Length times width times height. What are the 3 things I'm multiplying together? Josh? 10y? What does this mean? What is this m here for, Mohammed? What is this m here for? No, it's meters. It's just a unit. You're not putting that in your equation. So it would be 10y times y times y. Yes, because 10 times 1, right? There's no number in front of that. Would be 10. What's y times y times y?
Y squared.
Y to the power of 3. And the answer is 10y cubed meters. That's it. Meters cubed.